Yo dudes! Welcome, Dave here flying solo, and today I'm going to make for you vegan tuna pasta in 5 minutes. It's quick, it's simple, it's easy. It's the first time I've ever done a 5-minute video by myself. We've got loads of feedback saying that, that's not fair, there's 2 of you, that's 4 hands, there's only me, I only have 2 hands. It's not fair. So I'm a little bit nervous. It's the first time I've done one of these, and timer's ready. And without further ado, vegan tuna pasta in 5 minutes. Boom. Okay, party started. Okay, I have boiling water. It's been boiling here for a couple of minutes. I have 4 nests of whole wheat noodles. Noodles cook in 4 minutes. If you want to use pasta, it'll take you 11 minutes. You won't be able to do the dinner in 5 minutes. So the whole thing's negated as is. I've got this pan on a high heat. I've got 2 really small red onions. I'm just going to quickly lash through them. Okay, if you want to cook in 5 minutes, you kind of have to get your pans heated up first. I'm using gas, so it tends to heat up quicker. 1 red onion, in it goes, beautiful. Okay, I got 1 clove of garlic. I'm just going to quickly lash through that. This is a huge clove, so it might be 2 small ones would be perfect. Quickly lash through this. In we go. I've got 3 gherkins. Gherkins are great for the kind of sea taste of the sea. So like when you're making vegan tuna, you kind of want to get a sea taste. Like obviously, I don't know if you know about jackfruit, but I'm going to use tin jackfruit as my tuna equivalent. It's really good, it really is, it's fantastic. It's really tuna-like in its taste, in its texture really. And the taste, the kind of salty kind of, salty gherkiny kind of taste adds great to it. Okay, so tin of jackfruit. You get them in most Asian supermarkets or online. I've just literally opened it. This one's great, it's an organic one. It's stored in brine. And the one that you want to watch is you just want to mash them all up so that it goes very tuna-like. I'm going to drain out half the brine, and I'll put half in. Half the brine in. And the rest I'm going to quickly lash it out and crumble it all up. So see, it's really flaky. See that? It's great. It's super tuna-like. Vegan tuna. I think we shot a video on a vegan tuna salad, which is really good. This works great like as a sandwich filler, but in this case it works fantastic as a pasta dish with a few little bits. Okay. One thing with these is make sure with the jackfruit there's some kind of chunky, gnarly bits. I'll show you the types of ones. Like these kind of bits you want to leave out, or the seedy kind of bits. There's a couple of the gnarly bits. I'm going to leave these out. They're just a little too grisly. See them there? Okay, perfect. So we stir that down for a little bit. I've got a squirt of lemon, I think goes really well with it. Juice of half a lemon. I'm going to add in a handful of greens and leave this. This is rocket, but it just gives a nice kind of bang of colour. And one really important thing which I find is, wait, hang on. 1 minute 50, so we're flying it. Great. I reckon I'll do this, no problem. One thing which goes really well is vegan mayo. So I've got a video for vegan mayo. It's really simple. You can do that, or else you can buy vegan mayo in just about any kind of supermarket. I'll turn it down. I'm going to turn the heat literally off it. So heat's off it. You don't want to add it to a hot pan, the mayo, because it separates. So I've knocked it off the heat. I'm going to drain my noodles now. So they'll probably be nice and al dente. I do like them al dente. So this is all kind of cooled down slightly. I'm going to add in my noodles through it beautifully. We'll give it a bit of mixy. So I've got 150 ml of vegan mayo. It's really easy to make vegan mayo, but it really takes this dish and kind of turns it into a cohesive dish. Without it, it's just a whole lot of disparate items together. It's a good word, isn't it? There we go, really simple vegan tuna pasta in 5 minutes. It's good. It's a great dish. Look at that, beauty. So I've done that in 4.5 minutes. Woohoo! I won. So great. I reckon a bit of chili flakes go really well on top. So I'll pop in a little bit of chili flakes. I think it goes great. And now we'll have a little taste. Vegan tuna pasta in 4.5 minutes. The mayo's dirty. That's lovely. It's a great one if you don't have much time. Quick, easy, midweek dinner. It worked really well as a lunch the next day, I think. That was my first time doing one solo. It was pretty quick. You can see how easy it was for one person. I've made a bit of a mess now, but I did enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing if you do. We really appreciate it. And yeah, please share this with anyone you think would like it. Cheers. Sending loads of love. Bye.